Can you permission for temple
Sir, I have a humble submission to make, sir.
on public road or on public places?
No, sir. We do not give the permission, sir.
But what is the situation was there, my lord? आगे का गेट जो है मंदिर का तोड़ दिया गया है।
No further construction.
नहीं, कंस्ट्रक्शन तो हम कर ही नहीं रहे सर, लेकिन सिचुएशन ये है कि वो एंट्री ऑर्डर से हमारा जो मंदिर का आगे का फ्रंट गेट है वो टूट गया है और मूर्ति ओपन है सर। कम से कम एटलीस्ट हमको सर वो क्लोज करने की परमिशन दे देंगे। दैट इज ओनली आई वांट।
अभी तो कोई भी आपको परमिशन नहीं देंगे। रेजिंग सम कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क फॉर टेम्पल।
Sir.
Can you permission for temple
Sir, I have a humble submission to make, sir.
on public road or on public places?
No, sir. We do not give the permission, sir. Also, sir, there is a Act of Madhya Pradesh of 2001, sir, which is the Sarvajanik Sthan Act, which gives the powers to collector, sir, to give any sort of permission, as also to remove the structures.
Permission for?
Permission in case of any kind of structure to be made in any public place, sir. But that has to be deliberated in the court of collector, sir. And
We are talking about religious structure.
sir,
Whether religious structures can be allowed to be constructed on public places, etc.,
sir, so
on public road,
sir, I had
government land, etc.
Sir, the submission is that act is actually with respect to the dharmic bhavans and the gatividhiyan that comes under the dharmic activity, and the entire power is vested with the collector, sir. Under section 3, the permission to...
What is the name of the act?
Sir, I have a copy of the act, sir.
Can be there contrary to the direction.
That is Madhya Pradesh सार्वजनिक स्थान धार्मिक भवन एवं गतिविधियों, that is with respect to construction of religious building in public places. That also specifically, section 3 of that act also specifically says the use of public places for religious purpose. And
Where
even
is the which section you are referring?
no, this is
Section
section 3.
Section 3 and
Section.
Restrictions on use of public places for religious no person shall.
Except those structures which have been erected before 29 September 2009 and which are eligible in
Where you are reading?
section 3.
Restrictions on use of public places for religious.
yes, your lordship.
As a permanent
As per Madhya.
religious place, save with the previous permission collector obtained in the prescribed manner, as a temporary religious place.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
So this
what
also
is-
restricts, my lord. And apart from that, my lord, even
This act has come in 2001. ये directions come आए of 2009. All the chief secretaries and etc. I think the state of Madhya Pradesh must have issued
So
instructions.
there is an
Yes, ma'am.
amendment in 2013 also, sir.
Hmm?
There is an amendment in 2013 also, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it says, sir, कि 2009, 29 September 2009 के पहले वाले जितने भी temples हैं, sir,
20. What is the date?
29 September 2009
9. Yes.
के पहले केस टू केस बेसिस में जो है डिसीजन विल बी दैट नो न्यू स्ट्रक्चर हैज टू बी बिल्ट एज पर दिस एक्ट, सर 30 केसेस में सर नगर निगम के संज्ञान में जैसे आते हैं कि इलीगल कहीं रिलीजियस स्ट्रक्चर्स आ रहे हैं, सर वी कीप ऑन इंटीमेटिंग थ्रू रिटन ऑर्डर्स, written letters to the collector officer for the requisite action to be taken on the same. When an order is passed by the collector officer, the logistics in terms of machinery and human resource is then provided by the Nagar Nigam for the removal of the same structure, sir. Sir.
So your stand is also that there can't be any permanent
Right, sir.
structure.
Right, sir. Sir.
So why this stand was taken that number 4, 5 and 6 are, his case is that
Sir.
his construction was demolished
Sir.
by the corporation. Now 5 and 6 are raising construction
Sir.
on the said area which was demolished earlier occupied by him.
Sir.
So now your return itself says that 5 and 6 are raising temple, construction of temple on that.
Sir.
Despite that council was supporting this, that the they can raise and etc.
Your Lordship, humble submission on that particular thing, Your Lordship. There were two areas, Your Lordship. I have mentioned that particular thing in my reply also, Your Lordship, to clarify that particular land, Your Lordship. Their land was there, Your Lordship, and adjacent to the temple.
Mr.
Yes, Your Lordship.
We are not entering into that dispute.
Your Lordship.
That is not our. But we will not permit any construction of any religious structure, irrespective of any religion,
Your Lordship.
on a public road or on a public place.
Your Lordship.
So,
My humble submission is that, Your Lordship, that temple was there since past 112 years. 112 years that temple was there, Lordship. We demolished that particular area during the widening exercise, Your Lordship. A part of the temple was demolished, Your Lordship. Thereafter, we issued notices to respondent number 5 and 6 that after filing of this particular petition and order dated 1/7/2023, Your Lordship, no further construction should be done, Your Lordship. But due to demolition of that particular wall, Your Lordship, they have just raised a beam, Your Lordship, and we have mentioned that particular thing in the spot inspection report also with the reply, Your Lordship. Now, what the situation is that, Your Lordship, वहाँ पे
this
18
is
by
not
11.
that area which was earlier occupied by the petitioner.
Your Lordship, no.
We will, Mr. Commissioner, whether any exercise is done regarding Indore,
Sir,
how many religious structures are on these public roads, etc.
sir, we after this
Apart from the
This place,
present case.
Sir, when the unfortunate Babri incident happened in the month of March, February, March, sir, after that an exhaustive exercise was done in terms of the number of such kind of structures, sir. We have identified as of now, sir, on the roads around 30 such structures have been identified, sir, which are on the religious structures which are there on the road or on such kind of things, sir.
In Indore city.
In Indore city, sir.
How many?
Sir, 30 has been identified in terms of the road, things on roads and on such kind of places, sir. And for this, sir, the appropriate action, like we, sir, make up entire Panchnama, entire report, and we share it then with the collector office. We send a case to be registered and an order to be passed for the removal thing to happen, sir. So those 30 ka we have already sent the detail to collector office also, sir.
No, what we notice,
So,
these is just like anything now, religious structures are being here.
so,
In Jabalpur, in compliance to the Supreme Court order,
so,
almost all the religious structures of creating obstruction on the movement of the traffic
so,
have been removed by the administration
so.
in compliance to the. Just we wanted to know what exercise is being done at Indore.
Sir, actually, sir, the only humble submission is as soon as we get the decision of the collector office, sir, we mobilize our team for the removal. Unfortunately, sir, because the decisions have been come to us, sir, we haven't been able to execute it, sir.
This is very vague reply.
So,
As soon as collector, so when the collector and everything, if you have seen the Supreme Court directive,
right, sir.
forthwith,
So,
the very, are you aware of the Supreme Court?
sir,
order?
2009 order of Supreme,
Yes.
Honorable Supreme Court, sir.
So it's not nothing like that the collector has to pass some judicial order or like that,
Sir.
quasi judicial orders, etc. He has to simply take steps for removal of the regional structures.
So,
Mr. Patwar,
Madam.
today hearing would not be possible.
Madam.
We will, since reply is filed,
Madam.
we will exempt her personal appearance.
Madam.
We will record that under 30 religious structures have been
Let them file a report to that effect, because if they have a report to
No,
that
this is
effect,
not the question of this petition, my lord. What was happened
it
today,
is
my
the
lord?
order passed by this court, my lord.
Mr. Tomar,
Yes, my lord.
in 226 we can enlarge the scope of
And
it.
that was the specific order passed by
And
my
that's
lord.
why
on
the
the last
commissioner
date.
was called,
Yes, my lord.
because conceding para 3 of the reply,
Yes, my lord.
corporation itself says that you are raising a temple.
My lord.
Not a temple.
My lord,
Now-
Some
that temple, my lord, situated
Now Mr. Bajaj is saying
from the old, my
it's
lord.
only repairing etc. of old temple etc. That we will examine.
Sir,
But
my
not
actual
today
condition-
because of the paucity of time.
My lord,
For
may
the-
kindly be kept on tomorrow, my lord. I am no objection, my lord. But what is the situation was there, my lord? आगे का गेट जो है मंदिर का तोड़ दिया गया है जो टेम्पल की जो
Till the
मूर्ति
next
है
date,
सर,
no further construction.
नहीं कंस्ट्रक्शन तो हम कर ही नहीं रहे सर, लेकिन सिचुएशन ये है कि वो एंट्री मॉडल से हमारा जो मंदिर का आगे का फ्रंट गेट है वो टूट गया है और मूर्ति ओपन है सर।
भाई
कम से
मंदिर
कम एटलीस्ट हमको सर वो क्लोज करने की परमिशन दे देंगे। दैट इज ओनली आई वांट।
अभी तो कोई भी आपको परमिशन नहीं देंगे। नेक्स्ट वीक वी आर कीपिंग इट। देखिए, कमिश्नर कॉर्पोरेशन इंदौर सबमिट्स दैट इन कंप्लायंस टू द orders passed by the apex court in the case of Union of India versus State of Gujarat in dated 2/5/2006 in 29/9/2009 in special leave to appeal 8519 of 2006 in Indore city, as many as 30 religious structures have been identified on public streets,
So on public places.
on public places, and the file has already been sent to the collector for action for removal of these religious structures. Full stop. Council for the state is granted 2 weeks time to क्या your machinery will be
My lord, they are busy in.
लिखे council
Practical.
the learned additional advocate general submits that the collector shall take the prompt steps in the matter
My lord.
in the matters of construction of religious structures on public places in compliance of the directions of the Supreme Court. Full stop. After hearing, considering the aforesaid, the personal appearance of Commissioner Indore Municipal Corporation is exempted. आपको कुछ फाइल करना है किसी को? List the matter after 1 week. Interim order to continue. Yes.
Particular this temple is not situated on the public road.
We will decide.
This is the question I have before.
टेम्पल आपकी जमीन पे है तो nobody will cut. But it
There
should
was a
not
degree of the
obstruct
civil
on
court, my lord.
public places, etc. Yes.